Evening, I'm Cynthia Newsom in for Amy Hawley. An outpouring of support for the victim of a deadly shooting at a Shawnee gun store. Sayed Shabir spoke with those close to the owners and joins us now tonight live in front of that store. Sayed?
Yeah, Cynthia, good evening. We just received a statement from Becky Beaker, the female owner of the store here who was injured in the shooting and robbery yesterday. We have that statement here. We're going to read it for you. It says, quote, "Thank you to my friends, family, and community for their love, prayers, and support during this very difficult time. I have lost my husband in this senseless murder. Although tragic, he saved my life because he carried a firearm. Guns are not evil. I would not be able to make this statement if private citizens such as John and I were banned from owning them. Please respect my husband's memory by refusing to turn this tragedy into a political statement in support of banning firearms." So those are the words straight from her, Becky Beaker. And we did speak to several of her friends today, and I'm going to step out of the way. You can see the outpouring of support firsthand. There are flowers and posters and cards being laid in front of the store as a memorial, but a lot of people devastated by this shooting yesterday evening.
It's just senseless.
Friday's shooting at She's a Pistol in Shawnee is taking its toll on the friends and family of John and Becky Beaker.
Becky is very open and fun-loving and just a wonderful, wonderful gal. John is more quiet and reserved, but one of the kindest people that you would ever meet, and he had a really great sense of humor.
Michelle Disler is a councilwoman in Shawnee and has known the Beakers for years. This picture was taken last month when Disler stopped by the store and tried on one of Becky's new shirts.
My heart hurts so much for Becky right now and what she's dealing with.
Becky was released from the hospital Saturday morning, but the real pain is in losing her husband, John.
He was her soulmate.
A man who dedicated much of his life to helping people protect themselves.
He died while, devoting his life to teaching and helping other people defend themselves. We don't even know at this point what a hero he actually is, because we can't predict of all these people that he has taught self-defense to. Someday when they're in a situation, they're going to have to use it.
And you can see the city of Shawnee has boarded up the store now, and according to the Facebook page, they will be closed for some time. You can also see again those flowers that have been laid here in memory of John. A lot of outpouring of support on Facebook as well. Hundreds of people have left comments in support of Becky and in memory of John. They've also set up a fund to help support the family. We put information on how you can help the family on KSHB.com.